Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is David over here at D's Garage. Here we go. We got another one for you guys here. Check out this truck though. We've already color matched a couple of things. Yes, the sun is bright out here. Well, we are missing them cab lights though, so we're gonna go ahead and get those things installed on this truck. Yep, no lights, no holes, none of that. We're also going to be replacing the third brake light on this one, guys. We're going to color match all that stuff to make sure it matches the truck color. These are other aftermarket ones that we've removed and installed in the past. Customer donated those, so they're gonna be my little samples there. Excuse me. Take a look here. Customer brought in his own parts. They are color matched. Man, they even threw in the cameras on this one, but we don't need those. We're gonna take those out, put on the old ones. Look at these here as well. Really nice, fabricated. Whoever took them apart and put them back together, I'll tell you, they did a good job. This is the company here. Check them out. We're gonna go ahead and check them out ourselves. All right, guys, stay tuned. You guys already know what we do here. All right, you guys, so we finished up the cab lights, nice and installed there. Now we are replacing the third brake light. Now, while we're doing the cab lights, we do got to bring down the headliner a little bit, as you can see there. So it's going to make it easier to replace it while he's getting the cab lights done. But just to show you guys what needs to be done to take all this apart, you got to bring down the headliner. You got two 10s in here, 110, 110, 110, 110, 110, two 10s, and then these hard plastic clips that you got to pinch so it can pop out. Now we're going to remove all this hardware. I believe it's just going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it should pop right out. We'll pop that new one in that's color matched, and we'll get this gentleman out of here. He drove all the way from Reno, so we got to go. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're replacing this third brake light. It ain't easy. Look at what we gotta do. All in here. Just to get to this third brake light. Well, we got the original one on. We're gonna go ahead and install this color matched one. So, yep, that's what you gotta do. Stay tuned. I'll show them the cab lights too. We finished the cab lights. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we finished up the GMC. Here we go. Let me show you guys this one. This one's a little bit different due to us having to install the third brake light and doing the color match cab lights with the white LED. Now this is the company here. This is my first time ever installing this particular brand. So yeah, let's see how they hold up. I'll show you guys what they look like. They install pretty easy, just like the other ones. This is the original third brake light that we just finished replacing. And like I said, this truck already has a bunch of stuff that's color matched. But the one and only thing that you really can't get done is this cab light. So You know, you don't want nobody just drilling holes onto your truck that doesn't know what they're gonna be doing. So you want to take it to somebody who knows how to do them. And these are the white LED OEM style cab lights. Pretty cool. These are pretty nice as well. And the mirror one, so look at all that. Matches all together. It's kind of hard to see right now due to sunlight, but there it is. Done deal. Done deal. All right, guys, now it's been a minute since I've done these. Like I said, I slowed down a little bit on them, but we're still getting them in here. Thank you, sir, for driving all the way out from Reno, Nevada to come and get these cab lights professionally done here at D's Garage in Corona. I thank you for traveling out here, and hope it was well worth it for you. Now you get to drive this truck back home, and looks a lot better to me if you ask me. It's always missing those cab lights. There we go. Alright guys. Alright guys, so that's it for the cab lights. They're done. Knocked them out pretty quick. Like I said, I am getting pretty quick at these. Still takes anywhere from 2 to 3 hours prior to what they were taking. Take a look there. It's all done. My work's going out to Reno. That's good. I always give customer stickers, and somebody was out all the way in like Henderson, and they took a picture of a truck or a car, forget what it was, and they had my sticker way out there. So that's good to know where all my work is going, or if people are moving out of California, you know, in general, moving to different places. Yeah, there it is. The king of cab light installer right here, D's Garage. Come and see me if you guys want them done professionally. Peace. Oh, I could move a little faster now. Oi!